So we want to cut gloves. Assalamu alaikum. Sorry. So we want to cut glove now. So this is the diagram. Just follow this. So the length I want to use, I'll use 15 inches. So I'll still have 15 inches will be enough. So we draw it. This is our hand, this is the thumb, and see it. So measure 4 inches from here. So after measuring 4 inches from here, we cut this little finger. We cut 1 inch away from the little finger, and I will now cut half inch away from here and here. Let me come again from up like this. I'll measure 4 inches and I'll shape it like this. So for this one, for this finger, I will minus half inch away from 4. So I'll just cuff it. This one too, I'll minus half inch. For the little finger, I'll minus 1 inch. So I'll now cuff it. So that's why I wrote 4 here. So from where the 4 stop, I'll measure 2 inches from here before I now draw out my thumb. You can see this is my finger. Before I draw it out, measure 2 inches from here. So from that 2 inches, we cuff it. We measure 1.8 inches. So I cuff it. You cuff it like this. So now attach another cloth. So I will show you in the video. That is, the cloth that we attach is 4 inches long and 2 inches wide. So if you want the one that will reach your elbow, so you can make use of 18 inches long. So for this one to be around here, so I want to use 15 inches long. So if you want the one that will be around your elbow, you can make it 18 inches. So around this area, measure 8 inches from up. So around that 8 inches, you cuff it inside like this. Just make a small cut so that this side will be a little bit thinner than this side. So let's get started. So fold this. So the wideness is 7 inches. So let me quickly write it here. For this wideness is 7 inches. So it will be 3.5 on fold. 3.5 on fold. So we fold it like this. So 3.5. 3.5 on fold. This is more than what I need. More than what I need. In fact, let me measure the length. I told I want to use about 15 inches, so I'll cut this out. You can shock it, sorry. You shock it, and let's cut it out. Inches, 3.5, another 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. So let me just trim it this place. So we use the same material we use for socks for the glove too, but if you have lighter one, so you can use it for the glove. Just make sure that it's very stretchy. So it's called rubber material. So I told you that you measure 4 inches from up. So you shock it. You shock it like this. Just make sure that it is straight. Measure 4 inches. you shock it like this. After shocking it, this 4 inches, it depends on how long the finger is, so it shouldn't be more than 4 inches. We can reduce it to 3.5, but it shouldn't be more than 4 inches. So we measure 3.5 here, so I want to divide this place into 4. We have 4 fingers, so that means that we have about 0.75. So this side is on fold, so this side is the open mouth, this side is on fold. So I'm going to measure 0.75. Measure it here. Measure another 0.75. Measure another 0.75. So it divides in such a way that ensure that the last part here, the open mouth part, the last part, it will be thinner than the first 3. We have 1, 2, 3, and this one is the first one. So this one here, because of the small finger, so it will be thinner than the first 3. So after shocking it like that, you now take your ruler, you roll it up. Sorry, I don't have ruler available here. Just roll it up. Roll it up like this. So you roll this up too. So from up, measure 1 inch. So after measuring 1 inch, just slash it open first so that you won't get confused. Let's slash it open to where that 4 inches stop. So I'm going to cut the 1 inch I measure. I will cut it out because this is where the little finger will be. So this one will be here, you can see. So this one is smaller. That's why I'm going to minus ½ inch from this one and this one. The first one, you can see this is the first one, the thumb, the index finger, and sorry, this is not the index one. Sorry, I forgot. So this finger and this one. So I'm going to minus ½ inch. So you measure your ½ inch. So I'm going to cut it out. So measure these two. I'm going to cut it out. So after this, you take your tape from that 4 inches where it stopped. You can see this 4 inches. So measure 2 inches down. Measure 2 inches down. From that 2 inches, measure 1.8. This is around 1.8. It's not up to 2 inches. You can see it's not up to 2 inches. 1.8 is not up to 2 inches. So you cuff this. You cuff it like this. Just make a little cuff. So I'm going to cut this out. And before that, I told that I measure 8 inches from up. So this is where my 8 inches stop. So you cuff around this area, you cuff it in so that you don't have this place should be thinner than the other part. Just slash it like this. You cuff it. So I'm going to cut this out and I'll cut this out. So take your cloth like this and cut it out. And see what I just did. can see. So this is where the thumb will be. So let me quickly shape the side too. Just a little shaping. So we are going to cut 4 by 4 pieces now in another cloth. Just set this aside. Cut 4 by 4. This is 4. This is another 4. Just roll it. Measure 4 inches. Measure 4 inches. So you fold it like this. This is 4 by 4. You fold it like this. So we are going to attach it to here. I'm going to curve this now. So you curve it like this. Fold it into 2 equally like this. Then you now curve it. Just a little curve. So I'll attach these 2 here. So we now need 1 inch by 24 inches. So you cut 1 inch by 24 inches. Let's set this aside. So we need 1 inch by 24 inches. So let's measure it. Measure your 1 inch by 24 inches. So this is 24. Let's measure it. So I don't have to add up to that, so I will join cloth in another cloth. This is 20, so I'll just join 4 inches to it. So this for the one that we used to choose. So we can get 1 inch by 24 inch. You just cut it straight because I don't have enough. That's why I cut. So I will join it so I will have my 24 inches long. So I'll just trim this. So I will show you. So yes. This is what we have. So this is the thumb part, the 4 inch by 4 inches. So you notch the center. So you attach it, open the sleeve like this. Yeah, the right side facing the right side. So you attach it like this. Can see the shape. So just place it like this. So to know so this is how it should be. This is how it should. So you are going to place it like this. So when you finish sewing it, the opening mark should be facing this side. Can see? Should be facing this side. So just note it. This is where I notch. You place it here. So when you want to sew it, you open it like this. You can see the way I'm opening it, then you place it like this. So you want to, let me place it again. We have something like this. We place it down like this. You know, I've curved this side, so at the end of the day, we want it to be like this. The opening mat, you can see the opening mat to face this side. So where you notch, just make sure that it is here. You can see the lower part here. You can see. So I'm going to take this. I'll open it like this, and this side too. I'll note it. I'll open this place so that I can fix it very well. I'll place it like this. After placing it like this, so you now take it to this side as if you want to fix sleeve the way you normally fix shadow kimal, the umbrella kimal, the way we normally fix it. So I will sew it round. Just sew it round. Just try to be turning it so that you don't sew the other side together. So I'm sewing the 4 by 4 inches to the glove. You turn it like this. After sewing it, you turn it like this and sew the side the way we normally fix sleeve. So you know how to fix sleeve to shadow kimal, so just the same way. And if you like, you can first of all sew this side before joining it. So just sew it round to it. So it's either way. So you can first of all sew the straight part. So you have round. You can sew this side before joining to the hole. So just sew it round to the hole. I can use this method I use. So it's either way. So you can see what we achieved now. So this is what we have. So I'm going to turn this to the right side facing right side. So I'll turn it to the wrong side and sew the side now. So if you want to whip this side, can whip. If you want to do small folding, you fold it now before joining the side. So this is what we have. After sewing the side, so you take, just do it like this. Take our 1 by 24 inches. So we sew it. We want to attach it to the finger area. lay it very well so that you won't get confused. So I'm going to use this 1 by 24 inches to close up the finger. So we have 4. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want to close it up. So I'll take the head now. You place it like this. So the logic behind it is that we can see that we have 2 layers, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and this one 2, 1, 2. So this part I'm going to sew it on this first part. You can see this 1.1 by 24 inch. I will place it like this and sew it like this. I'll be sewing it like this. I will come like this, sew it like this. I will come like this. You can see my hand. I will come like this. I will come like this until I get here. So the other side of this 1 by 24 inches, so it should be here. So it should be on the lower part. So I will sew it on the lower one. I told that we have 2 layers, so one side will be for the one on top, and the other side of this 1 by 24 inches I'll use it to sew the one that is down. So we start by sewing it now. So I will sew the one that is on top. So I'll do it like this. I'll place it like this. I'll sew it on. When I get here, I turn this one. You can see the 21 1 by 24 inches. I turn it like this. I sew it. When I get here, I turn it like this. I sew it with it. I sew it like this. When I get here, I turn it like this. I sew it with this side, and I'll follow same way. So after sewing it, I'll now the other side of this one, I will now sew it the same way. I'll sew it same way. I'll be come like that, so till I seal it. So just do that, and I assure you will get it. So I'll start here. So I want to start with this now. So I'm going to start like this. Right side facing right side. So you can see. So I'm going to sew this with this. Just sew it very tiny. So I've gotten to this side, so I will turn it like this. Just be careful when you are sewing it, and don't need to rush. When you get here, you turn the edge like this. Just make sure you cuff your hand. Continue cuffing it. So the glove must be at this edge. This 1 by 24 inches cloth. So you'll be turning the glove. Just be patient when you are doing yours, you get it. So I've gotten to this down, so I'm going to turn it like this. Cuff your hand, so you can see this is another finger. So I'll turn it. So I want to sew it to that 1 by 24 inches. So I'll sew it. just take your time when you are doing yours. So I've gotten to the edge of one finger, so you turn it again. Don't mistakenly go and sew it like this, you will not get it. Just turn this edge. You can see the head of the finger, you turn it to the part of 1 by 24 inches. You sew it like this, so you turn it. Be patient when you are doing yours. I'm repeating it, that is very crucial. So you continue doing it like that until you get to the last finger. You can see that I've finished sewing the top part, the upper part. I've finished sewing it. So remove it like this. So we have something like this. So you have something like this. So from where you started, just sew it. So this is the 1 by 24 inches. So you sew it like this. So you can see it. This is what we have. We have another one like this. So I've attached the 1 by 24 inches on the down one, so we want to do the main one that is up and that is on top. So this is it. So I'm going to start from here. So I will continue sewing it. So I'll be sewing. So it's just same method. So you take it like this. So we are patient. It's very easy to make. Just make sure that you are patient. Just same method. So you are sewing the down part now. The other side. Another is fine. Be patient when you are doing your sew. It requires a lot of patience. So I'm almost through. So the same way we sew the down part, so it's the same way you sew this too. Just follow the way I explained to you. So I'll turn this to the right side now, so you see the outcome. So this is the outcome. And see it. So this is what we have. So just do it like this. So this is our glove. So thank you.